What's up guys, it's Nate Vlogs here, and today I'll be teaching you how you can make a Christmas tree on Python. What you want to do first is you want to type this code up. The code is in the description below, so you can also type it up. So after, if we click run, we'll go to idle. So first you want to open up Python like normal. Click run, which you can also do as F5. So run module. So now it's run. Now as you can see, you get this amazing Christmas tree. It's pretty easy if you know the code, which is in the description below. So yeah, this is how you make it, and you can show all your friends how to do it, and they can get amazed. So yeah, this is it for the video. Comment down below if you want more, and until next time, peace out.